Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is a first order function in JavaScript. A first order function is a term used to describe functions that do not take other functions as arguments and do not return functions. In other words, first order functions works with values like numbers, strings, arrays and objects rather than other functions. Key characteristics of first order function: do not accept functions as arguments. They only accept regular values like numbers, strings, etc. as parameters. Do not return functions. They return normal values or objects, not functions. In essence, first order functions deal only with basic data types like integers, strings, arrays, etc., not with higher level constructs like functions themselves. Example of first order function: a first order function that adds two numbers. See, we have a function, the function name is add, we have a two arguments a comma b that returns a plus b. So when we call with add 5 comma 3, the output is 8. Here the add function is a first order function because it simply takes two numbers as arguments and returns their sum. It does not deal with functions as input or outputs. First order function versus high order function. First order function does not take functions as arguments or return functions. High order functions takes one or more functions as arguments, returns a function as a result. Example of high order function: a function, high order function that takes a function as an argument. Here we have a operate function and we have a comma b, and operation is a callback function. In return, it's called operation a comma b. So we have a operate, we are calling with operate 5 comma 3, a goes with 5 and b goes with 3, and x comma 5 equal to lambda x plus 5 x plus y. So the result is output 8. So in the above example, operate method is a high order function because it accepts function operation as an argument. Summary: first order functions, a functions that only works with regular values and does not take return other function. High order function, a function that take functions as arguments and return a function. So friends, this is all about first order function in JavaScript. Thank you.